Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Kung ano man ang meron, yun ang ating babasahin. Okay, so yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. And don't forget our second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Yes. And, diba ang daming end. Yung ating mga items is all available. Yeah. Yung ating Evil Eye Protection. Protection po, ha? Sa mga nagbabato ng Evil Eye sa atin. And, yung ating Love Bracelet. So, si Love Bracelet is ito. Okay, so, yeah. This is 7 inches long. Okay. Ganito siya. Ganyan siya kapag sinuot. Diba? Okay. And, yung ating Granter necklace. So, si Granter is ganito. This is made to order. Okay po. Si Granter ay made to order. Yes. Yan. So, taga-grant ng mga minamanifest. Okay? And, taga-pagbigay ng surprises. Yes. O, diba? Non-tarnish. Yeah. 20 inches long yung kanyang chain. So, ano pa? Yan. Itong ating cord cut. Pang cord cut. So, sa mga may alam na kung ano yung cord cutting, yeah, available po ang cord cutting sa Fias Tarot. Okay? And sa mga hindi pa alam kung anong meron, yeah, just message us. Okay? So, ito yung mga sample ng mga Evil Eye protection. So, ito yung bracelets natin. This is the adjustable. Ito yung ating garterize. No, ito yung ring. This is adjustable po, yung ring natin. Okay? So, itong adjustable na bracelet is available in red string. So, meron din itong initial po na inilalagay. Okay? Initial lang magmamayari. And ito yung ating necklace. Okay. This is unisex. Yeah, ganyan po. Ha? Okay? So, there. Non-tarnish. Yeah. Pero, yeah. Pwede naman kayong gumamit ng ibang chain if you want to. Excuse me. So, let's start. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong kailangan malaman ng mga air signs? Okay. Strength in reversed. The Hangman in reversed. Yeah. Paglabas ng bahay. Meron ako ito, channeled message. Okay. Some of you, nakikita ko na pwedeng pupunta sa kung saan man, like fitness, something, about fitness. Pwedeng ikaw tong magja-jogging, like that. Okay? May mga babawasin or ililesen pagdating sa mga bisyo. Yung iba sa inyo. Or kailangan. Okay? Kailangan. Temperance. Balance. Okay? So, dapat gawin na to agad. Hanggat maaari. Hanggat maaga pa. Yes. Puro major arcana to. Strength in reverse, the Hangman in reverse, and Temperance. Iwasan mong maging mainitin ang ulo. Or iwasan mong matrigger, iwasan mong magalit. Yeah. Hanggat maaari. Kung ikaw ito magbibigay ng opinion, tingnan mo muna both sides. Okay? Huwag ka magiging one-sided. So, there. What else for you, air signs? Page of Swords in reversed. This is an Energy of somebody who is stalking. Are you stalking somebody? What's with this Page of Swords in reversed? Yeah, the Nine of Cups. This is crush, I think. Somebody has a crush on you. Yeah, the Knight of Wands. Air sign. Some of you, meron, ikaw, pwedeng ikaw, merong may ginugusto. You're like, ano to, energy ng somebody who is into like physical. Infatuation. Mga ganyang bagay. The Fool. Are you willing to travel for this one? I'm hearing travel. Pwedeng malayo tong taong to sa'yo. You're admiring this person. Or talagang gusto mo lang. Okay, like physically, maybe attracted. May chance ng travel papunta sa kanya. Let's see. Okay. The Two of Pentacles in reverse. Oh, some of you, bakit meron ditong doubt or unsure? Bakit? Why? We have here the King of Swords in reversed. Oh, the Two of Cups in reverse. Meron ba ditong energy or meron ba sa inyo na nasa isang sitwasyon na parang struggling lang? Okay? Struggling. Rocky, shaky, yung situation, romantic. Pero ikaw itong parang may nakakitang somebody. Parang meron ka nakikitang somebody na parang gusto mo lang. Better be careful. The Two of Pentacles is here. So, this is the energy of sabihin natin, i-sure mo muna. Be responsible, I guess. Okay? Kasi alam mo naman sarili mo, yeah, may takot ka rin. If ever. Kung gugusto ka ng iba, pero hindi pa tapos yung inyo. Kung ano man. Yeah, the King of Swords. If you need to cut people off, cut situation off, do it. Yeah, just be the Emperor. Yung parang kailangan mo munang gawin everything. Kailangan mo munang unahin yung mga dapat unahin before ka gumawa ng, di ba? Ibang mga direction. Parang ganyan, no? Para wala na ring maiwan. Parang ganyan. Anyway. So, what else for air signs? The Four of Pentacles. Saving. The Nine of Wands in reversed. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. I'm getting this energy about somebody na pwedeng sisira ng tiwala mo around workplace. Okay? Or yung palagi mong pinupuntahan everyday. Anong meron dito sa Nine of Wands in reversed? Yeah, the Five of Wands in reversed. Meron ako nakita rito yung parang silang balingbing. Oo, balingbing. No? Okay. Yeah. May chance na kapag ikaw na yung nasa hindi okay na sitwasyon, i-drop ka niya or iiwan ka niya, tatalikuran ka niya, something like that. Okay? Meron ditong parang pwedeng pag kakatiwalaan mo, pero hindi ko nakikitang maasahan mo Ha? Hindi ko nakikitang maasahan mo siya. Hindi ka pwedeng dumepende sa kanya. Yes. Yeah, the Five of Swords. Hindi ka pwedeng dumepende dito. Okay? Hanggat maaari, magkaroon ka ng healthy boundaries or ikaw itong parang limitahan mo everything. Kung kaya mong hindi maging open, kung kaya mong maging, sabihin natin, kakaunti lang yung sasabihin mo sa kanya, opinion or whatsoever, mas maganda. Okay? Kasi mamaya, kapag dumating yung isang issue, sabihin pa nito, ay kasi po ganito ikaw pa yung ilulubog nito. Kung sino man to. Okay, so there. Anyway. So, yeah, yun ang nakikita ko for you, air signs. Next, fire. Higher fire signs. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, what's for you? Anong meron sa mga fire signs? Excuse me. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay. The Hanged Man in reversed. Going out. Oo, may narinig ako going out. Yeah, the Hermit. Some of you, ikaw itong palaging nasa bahay or sabihin nating in general, andun ka lang sa routine. Okay, yeah, the Eight of Wands in reverse. Siguro may mga babaguhin. Okay, iba sa inyo, may chance na merong lalabas ng bahay, okay? Or aalis, may pupuntahan, may schedule. Pero, idadrop mo yun. Or sabihin mo, oh, something came up. Parang may ganyan. Yeah, I'm seeing here travel. Parang hindi ka sisipot, hindi mo pupuntahan, something like that. Why? Why the Hermit? Why the Hermit? High Priestess. Ayaw mo lang. Ayaw mo lang pumunta. Gusto mo lang tahimik. I don't know kung anong pupuntahan mo. Yeah. Mas gusto yun lang na matulog. Parang ganun. I don't know. Some of you, meron kang bagong aaralin. Or iba rito, may magpapalit ng course. If you're still studying, course, career, maybe new path, new pathway, parang ganyan, new direction. Meron ako nakikitang ganyan. New hobbies, bagong pagkakakitaan, parang mga ganyan. Anything about bago. Or sabihin nating redirection. Okay? So what else for fire signs? The Magician. Somebody from your past will resurface. Something from the past in general will resurface. Anong meron dito? Somebody will message you. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. And meron silang offer na dala. Kumusta? Parang ganyan. Some of you, this is work related. Some of you. Yeah. And I think pwedeng i-grab mo yung opportunity about that. Pwedeng dating employer, parang ganyan, or yeah, parang mayroon ditong pababalikin sa isang pinagtrabahuhan before. That's specific. Okay? Anong meron dito sa past na tao na to? Anong meron? Why the Knight of Pentacles? The Hierophant. This person na pwedeng magre-resurface. Yeah, someone from your past. Ang nakikita ko rito is wala naman masyado ako nakikita na patungkol sa kaseryosohan. I don't know, maybe some of them, they're just bored. That's why. That is why. Okay? Wala naman ako nakikita ditong label, walang relationship. Just, kumustahan, I guess. With a Virgo, Earth sign, Taurus, and water. Okay, so could be any sign anyway. So the Page of Pentacles in reversed, the Five of Wands. Avoid mo na masali or sumali sa mga drama or what. Okay, like away, mga ganyan. Okay. The Three of Cups. Meron ditong somebody na pwedeng parang merong paawa effect. Parang ganyan. Sandali lang po ha. Wait lang. Sandali lang. Okay. So, Page of Pentacles, Universe, the Five of Wands. Avoid arguments. Okay. Avoid drama. Yes. What's this Page of Pentacles, Universe? The Five of Cups in reversed. Oh, yeah. Meron ditong parang gustong makipagayos eh. Gusto mag-sorry. Something like that. Pero, andun yung paawa effect or sabihin nating meron pa ring blame na ibabato sa'yo yung tao. Okay? Some of you, takot lang kasi sila na umako ng kasalanan. Umako ng responsibilidad. Okay? So, there. I don't know. So, siguro, avoid mo lang makipag usap, no? Sa ganun na energy. Kasi talaga namang ma-high blood ka lang. Oo. So, ay, bakit earth sign? So, water. Water muna. Okay. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Messages. Energy check-ins, prediction, gabay for you, water signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? So, water signs. The Knight of Wands. Travel. Okay, the Seven of Cups. Water signs. Meron ka ba nagugustuhan? And this is like marami. Somebody's confused. Somebody has a lot of option. Who is this fire sign? Who is this Knight of Wands? What's with this? The Eight of Cups in reverse. Somebody from your past. Or maybe this is you. Some of you, you're still hindi pa rin nakaka-move on. And here you are, entertaining energies, entertaining people. Left and right. Even though hindi ka pa nakakapag-heal. Anyway, buhay mo naman yan, no? Oo. So, meron na kasi ako nakikita rito, somebody wants to make a revenge. Revenge. Like, gusto kong makita mo na napalta na agad kita. Something like that. Meron din dito, be careful with a fire sign or water sign like you, na pwedeng naghahanap lang ng rebound. Be careful. May naghahanap lang dito ng rebound. Okay? Because they're unsatisfied, incomplete, feeling incomplete, unhappy individual. So, what else for you, water signs? Yeah, the Ten of Cups in reverse. Unhappy. What's with that? The Two of Pentacles. Family issue I'm seeing here. Meron ditong gusto ng umalis sa poder ng magulang. Or gusto nang humiwalay. Mamuhay mag-isa, I guess. Yeah, the Chariot. Yeah, the Three of Swords. Meron din dito ako nakikitang energy about a family na ang issue ay third party. Hindi pa rin po ako nakikita ng somebody na pwedeng magdesisyon or pumili. Okay? Meron pa rin dito ang unfinished business with a side dish. Okay? Alam nyo na ang side dish, ha? Oo. So, the Queen of Swords. Somebody is afraid rin na totally umalis sa isang connection. Andyan yung suffering. Andyan yung takot. So, kung ganyan, patuloy pa rin po. Patuloy pa rin. Wala rin pong pipiliin kung ganun. Okay? Kung nandun yung takot, wini-welcome lang kung anong meron. Yeah. Meron ditong somebody na sobrang emotional. Yes, kahit biro lang. Andun yung masasaktan siya, I don't know. Be careful. Kung ikaw tong mag-joke. Okay, yeah. April Fools. Yeah, the April Fools. Okay. So, what else? Water signs. The Three of Cups reversed. I'm seeing here once a one night stand. Yeah. Sex. With somebody na pwedeng wala naman kayong i-label. The Wheel of Fortune. What's with this Three of Cups in reversed? Alam mo, water signs, may mga parating na mga gandang energy, blessing sa'yo. Yun nga lang, may blockage, the Three of Cups in reversed. Who is this? Yung mga time waster. Okay? So, it's like energy vampire. You have to let this go, to cut them off. People, situation. Pero mostly this is people na talagang nagwe-waste lang ng iyong energy. Yeah. I don't know. Kasi meron ditong energy somebody na pwedeng they're always being needy sa'yo. Medyo hindi maganda. Okay? They always need you. Medyo nakaka-drain yung energy dito. So, mayroong mga parating na opportunities, energies na bago. The Wheel of Fortune. Yun nga lang, there's this blockage. And ang naging blockage dito is yung mga tao na pwedeng nakapaligid sa'yo na para silang energy vampire. Yeah, the Nine of Cups. I don't know, the Nine of Swords. The Sun in reverse. There's blockage. Yeah, the Tower. I'm seeing here karma. Karma. Bad karma, good karma. Okay? Strength. If you can say no. Yeah, if you can say no. Yeah, Eight of Wands, Universe. If you can say no, reject. Okay? Mas maganda. Yun nga lang, meron ditong Nine of Swords. Maybe, takot lang tayo sa pwedeng sabihin or i-judge ng ibang tao. Okay? So, this is a blockage na hindi maganda. No? Kasi, ikaw itong parang nasa-sacrifice mo yung mga bagong energy na paparating because you're just choosing kung ano man yung mga sa tingin mo na dapat tulungan, dapat available tayo, something like that. Anyway, so there, somebody is afraid to reach out. They want to talk. They want to clear things up. Clear things out. Anyway, so next, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So what's for you, Earth signs? Let's see. Earth signs. What's for you, Earth signs? The Six of Swords reversed. The Magician. Some of you, kailangan yung marinig na tamang direction yung inyong tinatahak. Kung meron kang tanong na ganon, tama yung direction na tinatahak mo. Okay? Yeah, the Empress. There's this energy about progress and improvement. Kasi yung ibang nakikita ko dito kaya napapatanong ng ganon, ang sinasabi, bakit ganyan, napakahirap, shaky, rocky, yung mga sitwasyon. Yeah. Mahirap. There's no success overnight. Okay? No success overnight. Yeah, see? Mahirap. Mabigat. Nakakapagod. Pero yeah, you're in the right direction. You're in the right direction, baby. Okay? So, yeah, nothing to worry. Some of you are manifesting on the right process, no? Manifesting the right way. Parang ganyan. May effort and may manifestations na ginagawa. Then, yeah. Good. Very good. Oh, very good ang magiging result. Okay, we don't need to, manifest lang ng manifest. Hindi magiging pantay or level yung energy mo at yung minamanifest mo kung hindi ka gagaod. Okay? The Ten of Swords. So, energy of healing. Situation na pwedeng may mag-end. What's with this Ten of Swords? The Three of Wands. Yeah, this is healing. Somebody, pwedeng tinutulungan ka mag-heal. Yeah. See? May pagtulong. I don't know who. Or pwedeng sa ngayon meron. Or merong ibinibigay sa'yo si universe na somebody na pwedeng tumulong sa'yo makapag-heal ka. Yeah, pwede naman yun. May tutulong sa'yo mag-heal ka. Pero, syempre, hindi tayo dapat didepende doon sa sitwasyon or sa tao. Okay? Yeah. Just be open. Just be open. May narinig ako, infertile, I don't know, or fertility. Somebody is into you. Meron dito ako nakikitang, yeah, sakit. Pagdating sa, I don't know, if this is talking about reproductive. What else, Earth signs? For Earth signs, please. Two of Pentacles. We have here angel number. Ay, wala. Akala ko meron. So, what's with that Two of Pentacles? Oh, the Ace of Cups. Are you sure? Feeling sure? Or you have doubts? Yeah, the Sun in reversed. Somebody's offering their cup of love for you. Some of you, ikaw itong may dalawang tao. Okay? Na parang pag-iisipan kung sino ba yung kokonikan mo. Something like that. You're juggling. Yeah, this is a connection. This is a relationship. Somebody wants to offer you their cup of love, and they're like genuine. What's with this Ace of Cups? Yeah, the Queen of Cups. This is genuine. This is unconditional. Pero you see them as somebody who is a red flag. Why? Hindi tayo sanay sa green flag. They're green flag. They are a green flag. Some of you have to heal. You need to heal. Kasi sanay tayo sa red flag. So, kailangan nating ialis yun. If you can't trust, pagdating sa connection, then, wag ka muna talagang susubok na umenter sa isang connection or relationship. Masasayang lang din. Yeah. Kung hindi ka pa handa, then don't try. Don't try to enter. Okay? Yeah. Some of you have to move on muna. So, there's this somebody, could be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Nasa tingin mo parang hindi mo pa kayang pagkatiwalaan, you're not open, like, you're juggling. You are juggling. But this person, some of them, nag-offer na sa'yo ng cup of love nila. Yeah, see, the Ace of Swords, they are genuine. Okay, totoo to. Totoo to kung sino man to. They like you. They love you. This is unconditional. Walang itatago sa'yo tong taong to, earth signs. See? The Ten of Cups. They want to be with you forever. Sino man to. Yeah, they need you. Anong meron dito sa Two of Pentacles? Bakit merong doubt? Or why are you juggling? Some of you, you have this issue. Okay? Pero may enter. Itong enter na to sa'yo, they're genuine. So, maybe some of you, ikaw itong may issue. Yeah, strength. So, there's this blockage. Okay? Blockage. Yeah, the Seven of Pentacles. The Seven of Wands. This is blockage. You're like saying no. No. Parang ganon. Oops, I'm not ready. Maybe. Like that, yeah. I'm seeing here 3. Okay? Pero kung dito lang ako mag-focus, this person is genuine. Yeah. Wala tong tinatago sa'yo, earth signs. Okay? Justice in reversed. I don't know if somebody merong issue legally. Legal matter. Legal issues. Okay, so there. Yeah. Yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yung atin pong second YouTube channel na Love Letter, nasa description box below, ang atin pong link. Thank you. Goodbye.